In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a brake switch on your Chevy Express 2500. This is going to be located under the steering wheel. Let's get started. So here we are laying under the steering wheel, looking up at the pedal box. This is our brake pedal right here, and this is our brake switch. There's going to be a connector we have to remove. There's going to be a red locking tab on here. We're going to use a pick and we're going to get under it and pop it up. Now on the back side, there's going to be a tab we have to push to unlock the connector. My red locking tab just popped out. Put that in later. That's the tab on the back that we're pushing on and then removing. If you're struggling to remove it, if that red lock tab comes out, it becomes much easier. Pull that harness off to the side. Using a 10mm wrench, we're going to remove the bolt out of the clip. We're going to pull up and remove the clip. Using a flat blade screwdriver, we're going to pull that brake switch up and over the pole. Remove the rod from the brake pedal and remove the brake switch. Install the new brake switch into place. Install the brake switch over the rod and then install it onto the brake pedal. Install the clip over that brake switch and be sure it's clipped over. The clip will be flush with the bottom of the brake switch when you have it fully installed. Snug the bolt down. We're going to install that red lock tab back into our connector, just like that. Install the connector into the brake switch. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Close that red lock tab. Once you're done installing the brake switch, get into the vehicle, turn the key to the on position, and have somebody outside the vehicle make sure that the brake lights are coming on when you are hitting the brake pedal.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.